These recipe cards I will include with everyone on the email list so that you can get copies of this. But this fire cider is a herbal preparation to basically bring lots of warmth to the body. And there are lots of traditional ways to make fire cider. It's usually things that are hot. So it's ginger and garlic and peppers and horseradish and vinegar. I mean, you take a shot of it and it's to keep your immune system strong. So this one's a little softer because it has hibiscus, which adds that red color and vitamin C, and it has pomegranate, which is also has vitamin C and good for the heart. So I have the preparation recipe cards for this. And I got this from Chestnut School of Herbal Medicine. Juliet Blankenspore is an excellent herbalist, and this is her truncated recipe. Her whole recipe is quite long. I just made it a little bit more manageable. And then the other one is, I don't know if you're familiar with Smitten Kitchen. She's an incredible cook, and you can find her on Instagram. And she has the best recipes. Her recipes just taste amazing. So she has a gingerbread Yule log, which don't be frightened. The recipe is very long, but it's manageable. So I'll include these with a follow-up email so that you can print those